Living in the End by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher, introduced the concept of living in the end. This principle is a cornerstone of his teachings and has transformed countless lives. This video aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of this concept and offer actionable steps to implement it in your life. Living in the end is a profound principle rooted in the concept of conscious creation and manifestation. At its core, this principle invites us to transcend the limitations of our current circumstances and embrace the reality of our desired outcomes. It entails embodying the feeling and state of consciousness that aligns with the fulfillment of our deepest desires, as if they have already manifested in our lives. To fully grasp the essence of living in the end, we can draw parallels with Neville Goddard's notion of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Both concepts emphasize the transformative power of imagination and emotional resonance in shaping our reality. When we live from the end, we shift our focus from lack and limitation to abundance and possibility. Imagine a scenario where you have achieved your goal, whether it's financial abundance, a loving relationship, optimal health, or career success. Living in the end encourages you to immerse yourself in this imagined reality, experiencing the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that accompany the realization of your desires. By adopting the state of consciousness associated with the fulfillment of our desires, we align ourselves with the energetic frequency of our desired outcomes. This alignment is crucial because the universe responds to the vibrations we emit through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. When we consistently dwell in the end result in our minds and hearts, we become magnetic to the experiences and opportunities that reflect our inner state. Why living in the end works. The effectiveness of the living in the end technique can be attributed to the intricate relationship between the conscious and subconscious mind. Our conscious mind, characterized by rational thinking and logical analysis, often tends to overthink and exert control over the manifestation process. This tendency can create resistance and interference, slowing down or even halting the realization of our desires. When we constantly dwell on the how and when of manifestation, we inadvertently introduce doubts and uncertainties that undermine our creative power. In contrast, the subconscious mind operates beneath our conscious awareness and plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process. Unlike the conscious mind, the subconscious mind is highly receptive to imagery, emotions, and beliefs. When we engage in living in the end, we effectively communicate our desires to the subconscious through vivid visualization and emotional engagement. By consistently impressing upon the subconscious the image and feeling of already having achieved our goals, we activate its creative capacity to manifest these desires into our physical reality. Understanding this dual aspect of the mind is crucial for successful manifestation. While the conscious mind sets intentions and formulates goals, it's the subconscious mind that executes and brings these intentions to fruition. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the desired outcome through living in the end, we establish harmony between the conscious and subconscious realms. This alignment removes barriers to manifestation, allowing our subconscious to work effortlessly towards materializing our desires without the interference of doubt or resistance. In essence, living in the end harnesses the power of the subconscious mind by bypassing the limitations imposed by the conscious mind. It empowers us to communicate directly with the subconscious in its language of imagery and emotion, leveraging its immense creative potential to orchestrate the circumstances and events necessary for the fulfillment of our dreams. As we surrender control and trust in the innate wisdom of our subconscious, we open ourselves to a harmonious flow of manifestation, where desires effortlessly manifest into tangible reality. How to live in the end. To live in the end, you must imagine and feel that your desire is now a reality. If you want to be rich, dwell in the feeling of already being rich. By doing this, the desire will begin to manifest externally. Let's delve deeper into the process of living in the end as taught by Neville Goddard. Step 1. Define your desire. The first step is to clearly define your desire. What is it that you truly want? It could be anything: a new job, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or even a personal transformation. Be as specific as possible. The more detailed your desire, the easier it will be for you to imagine and feel it. Step 2. Create a scene. Once you have defined your desire, create a scene in your mind that implies its fulfillment. This scene should be from a first-person perspective and include sensory details. For example, if your desire is to be rich, you might imagine checking your bank account and seeing a large balance. Or perhaps you're in a luxurious home that you own, feeling the plush carpet under your feet. Step 3. Enter the state akin to sleep. Neville Goddard often spoke about the importance of entering a state akin to sleep sats, a state of deep relaxation just before you fall asleep or just after you wake up. In this state, your subconscious mind is more receptive, making it an ideal time to imagine your scene. Step 4. Replay your scene. Close your eyes and replay your scene over and over in your mind. Feel the emotions you would feel if your desire were already fulfilled. If you're imagining being rich, feel the excitement, the security, the freedom. Make it feel real. Step 5. Persist in the assumption. After you've imagined your scene, open your eyes and carry on with your day, but persist in the assumption that your desire is already fulfilled. This doesn't mean you constantly think about it. Instead, you live your life as if your desire is already a reality. You trust in the process and know that your outer world will reflect your inner state. Step 6. Ignore current reality. One of the challenges of living in the end is ignoring your current reality, especially if it contradicts your desire. Neville taught that the outer world is a reflection of our inner state, so if you want to change your outer world, you must first change your inner state. Ignore the facts that contradict your desire and remain faithful to your wish fulfilled. By following these steps, you align yourself with your desire and allow it to manifest in your life. Action steps to take. Identify your desire. Clearly define what you want to manifest. Be specific and detailed. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Imagine how it would feel if your desire were already fulfilled. Dwell in this feeling. Let this feeling permeate your mind. This is an essential step in the manifestation process. Believe that the thing felt will manifest, letting go of, and eradicating any doubts to the contrary. Live your life fully. Know that your desirable reality is selected even if you still see the old negative reality. Remind yourself that it is done. Focus on other things. Show faith in your desirable reality by focusing on other things in your life. This indicates that you're not trying to fix anything because you know it's already done. A secret tip. The secret tip to effectively live in the end and accelerate manifestation is to embody the feeling of gratitude and appreciation for your desires as if they have already manifested. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that amplifies the vibration of abundance and aligns you with the frequency of your desired reality. Here's how to integrate this secret tip into your practice of living in the end. Gratitude visualization. Close your eyes and visualize yourself surrounded by the manifestations of your desires. Feel the immense gratitude welling up within you as you witness your dreams coming true. Imagine expressing heartfelt thanks for each aspect of your fulfilled reality. Gratitude journaling. Start a gratitude journal where you write down daily affirmations of gratitude for the manifestations you expect to see. Use phrases like "I am so grateful now that," or "thank you for," to evoke the feeling of already having your desires. Express thankfulness. Throughout your day, consciously express gratitude for everything in your life, both big and small. Appreciate the present moment and acknowledge the abundance that surrounds you. This practice reinforces your belief in the manifestation process. Gratitude rituals. Incorporate gratitude rituals into your daily routine, such as gratitude walks, meditations, or ceremonies. Use these moments to connect with the feeling of gratitude and affirm the reality of your desires. Act from gratitude. Let gratitude guide your actions and decisions. Approach challenges with a grateful mindset, knowing that every experience contributes to your growth and evolution. By living from a place of gratitude, you attract more blessings into your life. Share gratitude. Spread gratitude to others by expressing appreciation and kindness. When you share gratitude, you amplify the positive energy around you and contribute to the collective manifestation of abundance. Remember, gratitude is a potent catalyst for manifestation. By infusing your practice of living in the end with deep and genuine gratitude, you align your energy with the universe's abundance and pave the way for your desires to manifest effortlessly. Trust in the process, stay committed to your vision, and let gratitude be your guiding light on the journey to living your dream life. Living in the end is a powerful concept that can transform your life. By embodying your desires as if they are already fulfilled, you align your conscious and subconscious mind, setting the stage for your desires to manifest in your reality. Remember, the key is to live in the end, not from the end.